Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Hope School and College. I am here, biology teacher of class 10th, and today we are going to start our chapter number 2, that is homeostasis. As you see in the book page, first of all we are going to do the introduction of this chapter. In this chapter we will going to start what is homeostasis and how it maintain our internal body functions. First of all, we should know what is homeostasis. Homeostasis is the maintenance of internal environment in response to changes, and the changes could be external environment or through the internal environment. Homeostasis basically is a mechanism that is held to maintain our stable internal environment in our body or any living organism. It is controlled by three main components: receptor, control center, and effector. And that is possible because of feedback mechanism, that is positive or negative, in which receptor give message to control center, then control center give command to effector, and this whole loop of system continues when the balance of system occurs. And this cycle continuously revolves around receptor, control center, and effectors to maintain the body's internal environment, and this is known as homeostasis. Thank you so much, and please like and subscribe the Hope School and College.